The best supplements for building muscle can be hard to determine in a sea of companies jockeying for your business. In this kind of market, it can be hard to determine which supplements you really need and which are just being passed through your urine without any actual effect. Health experts have faced this issue for years and have reasoned that what really matters is the same thing that always has determined good muscle building: nutrients. With that in mind, we have compiled a list of the only supplements that build muscle in order to help you bulk up without the confusion that many people have to deal with. Number 1. Whey Protein Isolate. First up, we have Whey Protein Isolate, commonly found in many protein shakes, bars, and other supplements. It's popular for a reason, since it's a protein source that is easy for your body to utilize. If you are looking to gain muscle while also trimming down on fat, whey can be extraordinarily helpful. It's also utilized by most bodybuilders and athletes as your body is easily able to absorb it to help build muscle mass. Like anything, if you take too much of it, your body just won't be able to use it, but whey is pretty reliable in terms of dosing. Generally, if you follow the packaging and take in about 20 to 30 grams of protein at a time, you will be able to gain lean muscle and see the results of your workouts pretty quickly too. Number 2. Casine Protein. Casine protein supplies your body with all the amino acids that it needs in order to help you gain muscle. This protein will immediately take effect in your body and feel pretty heavy in your stomach too. Amino acids are important to helping you recover quickly, as well as to get the most out of your workout. The last thing that you want to do is waste all the hard work that you are putting in the gym, and casein protein is easily absorbed during digestion. This protein is particularly effective in men and women who are trained athletes, meaning that you are going to get out what you put in with this option. Casein will help your body build muscle quickly and is a reliable partner in your bodybuilding journey. Number 3. Creatine Monohydrate. Creatine is one of your body's best sources of natural energy for muscle contraction. This supplement is almost universally praised in the muscle and fitness community, and health experts claim that it is the single best protein supplement to help you gain muscle mass. Almost 95% of creatine is stored in your skeletal muscles and used during your workouts. It helps keep the energy of your muscles up during activity, and supplements will give you a big burst of energy that you will immediately feel after taking them. Creatine is specifically designed for powerful athletes looking to pack on muscle and keep that physique up, so it would only make sense that this supplement is so highly regarded in the weightlifting community. Number 4. Tarte Cherry Powder. Tarte Cherry Powder is rich in nutrients and has become a big hit within the fitness community. The effects of this powder are interesting because it can both amplify your strength performance as well as help to reduce your recovery time. Studies done on runners found that they experienced much less pain following a race than those who did not drink the Tarte cherry juice. The study reported that the runners who failed to drink the juice reported muscle fatigue, soreness, and muscle cramping following the race. Number 5. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is another supplement that has turned heads within the last decade or so. Studies have suggested a whole bunch of health benefits for this supplement, from heart health improvements to immune system boosts. For the purposes of this list, however, ashwagandha demonstrated an ability to boost the strength of the participants that took it, as well as lower fat percentage over a period of time. This supplement did not just show an increase in strength, but also in the size and definition of muscles in the legs and arms. The study consistently showed that this supplement was able to focus on the muscles of the people involved, helping them not just become more powerful, but also work out more often. The damage done to the muscles, despite rigorous workouts, did not affect the participants nearly as much. This supplement's testing is still ongoing, but time and time again it has delivered in being a real game changer for people looking to build muscle and become better athletes. Did any of these supplements leave you wanting to give them a try? Let us know in the comments below. Here are 2 more videos you might find interesting. Feel free to choose the one you like. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share the video with your friends. And for more interesting videos on health, subscribe to the channel.